Is there one of your grandmother's poems that sticks in your mind as meaningful?
I think they all are. One I really like is I write poems. It's a gentler poem. I like them all. I mean, this one to the young poet, like, wow, and so on. But and her description, the Sullivan County descriptions of nature, and but this, I write poems. They fall on my lips like snowflakes. This is how you banish harsh cutting words. And the last one is I'm okay. I'm okay. I sing and I sing my poems. But they all have an impact. Like my friend is reading one a day, and he's thinking about it all day long. And I think the depth of those poems is kind of endless.